Halo, Assalamualaikum Syafa.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today?
I'm great. And you?
Feel so excellent. So, Syafa, here I would like to ask some question to you. Do you mind if I ask something?
Yes.
Okay. As in a modern area and in modern era now, what do you think is technology?
Technology is the tool to provide the necessary for the survival and comfort of life.
Okay. And then, do you think it's important?
Yes, very important because for the survival of human life and using technology, we can access quickly to the data or information that we want by using a small sample technology using internet facility. Though, from the facility that we can explore further with fast access.
Okay. And then, does the technology can be used in school?
Yes, of course, in school using like LCD, if teacher need for teaching PowerPoint and audiovisual for listening learning in English.
Mm-mm. In Indonesia, do you think is there any problem in using technology?
The problem that still exists today include facilities and human resource capabilities. Facilities to support the STEAM's education are far beyond the cost of the school. Not all schools are able to provide such facilities for a small fee. Teacher resources are still small in having the ability to operate computers and learning programs.
So, from your point of view, how to solve the problem?
The problem can be overcome by conducting training and a sense of curiosity teachers to master the computer how to integrate ICT in the learning process. So that the existing learning process is no longer monotonous, such as the use of PowerPoint in short duration learning,
Okay.
CD in learning activities, regularly used, etc.
Okay. That's a great answer, Shafa.
Yes. Okay. I will ask you, what do you think is technology?
I think technology is a things that can make human lives easier. That's it.
Uh, why is technology important?
Uh, in my opinion, it's important because it can make human lives easier and it's also can help human do anything such as communicate as we do now and etc.
So that's the used to be using any technology.
Yeah, it does because technology make human lives easier. It also can be used for education, so it can make education more easier, easier.
Okay. The problem for integrating technology in school.
Mm, so from my point of view, the problem that Indonesian school faced is the first is the facilities, as you said before, and then the human resources, and then the internet connection maybe, and then the technician that can use or fix the technology. So that's it. That's it.
How can you solve the problem?
Hmm, I think to solve the problem is to make um like a training center for teacher who wants to be a creative teacher which can use technology and also fix the connection in technology and then give chance to a person who can use technology to be able to work in school, maybe. So that's it.
Great, your answer, Puri.
Thank you, Shafa.
Make me understand.
Okay. Can you get my point? So, okay, Shafa, thank you for your answer and your attention.
You're welcome.
Okay, see ya. Assalamualaikum.
Salam.